Today I am going to show how to use glycerin to keep your skin tight, young, shiny, and spotless. You all know the glycerin has been the most popular beauty essential over the years because it adds great value to your skin. It keeps skin hydrated, soft, glowy, and glossy. Along with that, it helps in diminishing fine lines, wrinkles, and scars. So let's include how put this ingredient to best use. So I show you 3-step formulas to use glycerin. You can follow anyone, but if you follow all the 3 steps, you will see a magical effect taking place in your skin. So step 1 is cleansing. Mix 2 teaspoons of rose water with small amount of glycerin, approximately half teaspoon. Now with the help of cotton ball, softly swipe across your face. Repeat if needed. Glycerin gently removes dirt and makeup from your skin without dehydrating your skin. Leaves skin clear and soft. Now moving on to the second step, will form skin foaming brightening glowing face mask. So in a bowl, add 2 teaspoons of lactocalamine kaolin clay therapy. Then add 1 teaspoon of glycerin and enough milk to get smooth consistency. Smooth it on your face and neck. Let it rest for 10 minutes and then rinse off with water. Glycerin is one of the most popular anti-aging treatment. It helps face premature aging signs. This face pack nourishes skin, lightens, brightens complexion instantly, and gives you younger looking glowing skin. Now moving on to the third step is moisturizing. Now when it comes to moisturizing, glycerin is one of the most effective moisturizer as it helps your skin absorb moisture from air. So combine 1/2 teaspoon of glycerin with 1/2 teaspoons of rosemary oil and 1 teaspoon of aloe vera gel. Mix well. Use this concoction to moisturize your skin. If you don't want to moisturize your skin this way, then you can also combine a few drops to your favorite moisturizer. So, friends, if you are looking for inexpensive way to get fabulous skin, then you must try to include glycerin in your daily skin care routine. So friends, I hope you find this video useful. Try and share your results with me. For more interesting tips, hacks, and beauty remedies, hit the subscribe button. Take care. Bye.